Hey everyone, it's been a while since I've put up a video, so I thought I'd give you a bit of an update of what's been happening. So over the past sort of 2 years, my kids are starting to grow up a bit more, entering public school, and life's been getting busy. I've got a new vehicle that I've put some videos up about it, but I'm going to be starting to do a lot more. All the content's going to be still DIY. I've also now got a 3D printer, and I've 3D printed some things for the car. I'm going to be putting up some other videos that are just going to be random content. It's not going to be anything related to cars or anything like that, so don't be surprised if you see something pop up that isn't car related. Let me know what type of content you want to see as well in the comments below. Some of the content I'm going to be putting up is how to adjust your drum brakes, how you can adjust your park brake. I've recently installed a UHF radio, so I'm going to do a quick video on that. And I've got a whole bunch of other content that I'm going to put up. So let me know what other content you would like to see that's just basic DIY stuff that you think you'd like to try, but you just haven't got the confidence to do. And if I've got the skill set to do it, I'll do it. Sorry, the sun's a bit bright where I am, and just trying to keep focus. Ask me any questions in the comments below, and I'll try and answer them the best I can. It can be about anything you see in this video or anything that you want to know about. Make sure you keep watching out for the next couple of videos because I'm going to do some really good content. Thanks for watching.